Why are there not more people talking about Honda HRV alarms not working? Seriously, it's way more common than you'd think. Let's break down what's going on. First things first, if your Honda HRV alarm isn't working, don't panic. There are a few simple things you can check before calling in the pros. Start by making sure your key fob battery isn't dead. A weak battery can mess with your alarm and even your door locks. Next, check your car's main battery. If your car struggles to start, that could be the culprit. Still nothing? Try locking and unlocking your car with both the buttons and the physical key. Sometimes alarms need a reset to get back on track. Also, double-check your doors, hood, and trunk. If any of them aren't fully closed or their sensors are dirty, your alarm might not arm at all. If all else fails, you might have a blown fuse or a faulty sensor. Grab your owner's manual and find the fuse box. Sometimes swapping a fuse is all it takes. And if you're still stuck, time to call your Honda dealer or a trusted mechanic. But hey, most alarm issues are quick fixes, so don't stress. Thanks for watching and keep your HRV safe and sound.